Hello friends, welcome back. Today I took to Instagram and asked you guys what you wanted to see me film today, and somebody suggested a declutter video, and I thought that's a great idea because my place needs a little TLC. I'm in that stage of life where I can't seem to balance out Diva and the Divine and housewife life. They're always competing for one another's attention, and when I'm trying to work, the house gravely ends up behind and things end up cluttered, disorganized, dirty, and just not with the upkeep that me, the housewife, is happy with. And while my husband and I are working on figuring out a new system for me to be able to work more and do less housework, the bottom line is I still want a place that is clean and nice and decluttered. So today, I'm gonna take you with me on a little clean with me, but I'm not like deep cleaning, I'm decluttering. So like, you see this mess behind me on my desk? That's all gonna go away, and we're gonna figure out how to do that together. Let's go. Take a quick glimpse at the rest of the situation here. The kitchen's not too bad. I do have some dishes and junk and clutter to put away. That kitchen table is actually pretty terrible. Check that out. And then in the bedroom, again, not too much, but enough where it's obviously annoying. Look at that. Look at that. I need to fix my dresser. I left some clothes on the bed. My nightstand. Look, I freaking left the drawer open. Get it together, Brianna. All right, here we go.